So welcome to the CTO focus session, where we will dig deeper into network programmability and also differentiated services. And I'm here with Shailin Sehgal, the Group Executive of Network and Technology. Great to have you here, Shailin.
Thank you very much, Erik. It's always a pleasure to be in your company and here in Ericsson in Kista.
Yeah.
It's been a great tradition to be here after MWC.
Thank you for the partnership. Thinking about what you are doing in your network now, and you've been at the forefront of providing differentiated services. We're moving into standalone network slicing. Can you share a little bit more about how you see this developing?
Sure. Let me start with the 4G world. When in the 4G, we do have a differentiated service where we have statically defined lanes in our network. By the way, it takes a lot of time for us to take that service to market because there is a heavy product and IT integration, per se, because of the lack of programmability of the 4G network. 5G changes is a game changer in that sense. We have brought in network slicing, and network slicing is now giving us the fruits that we were looking for. We are now able to create just-in-time experiences using Ericsson ESOA, which is the orchestrator. So we are actually orchestrating and curating these experiences versus statically defining them and coding them in our IT network systems and IT and product systems. So yeah, it's an absolute game changer.
And fortunately, I think we were able to show this also in Mobile World Congress. You're using the capability together with URSP. So what was that really about?
That was really great. In fact, we were showing a broadcast use case where we were showing a live sport event where we had created just-in-time slice. Actually, we created two just-in-time slices. One had the live broadcast and the second one had the control channel in there. And then, of course, the default slice had the rest of the venue traffic on.
Mm-hmm. Did it work well?
It did. I think we got a lot of footfall at the Ericsson booth.
I think this is a common learning here, that this technology is now mature. It has been around for some time, but now we see it in commercial operation. It actually needs to be implemented end-to-end. So, of course, the cameras, the end devices, the network end-to-end, and then all the way to the back-end servers. And this is what's coming together as a commercial offering now, which is, I think, a great achievement. And seeing it in the network is fantastic. So great, thanks for that. It also links, I think, to how you look at your network evolution journey. Programmable networks that are autonomous on the way to level 4. So anything you can share about that?
Yeah, so let's talk about the experience I just shared that we showed at MWC. I'm told that today there are 500 plus 700 actually features in the RAN. There are 5,000 odd parameters and even more constants that need to be tuned to offer a differentiated service to delight of the customer. We absolutely need programmability, which is infused with AI using our apps, and we are using your platform, EIAP, I should say, which is now going to enable fine-tuning using AI of those parameters so we can offer even a greater experience to the customers.
And that example, I think, shows how on that platform, the EIAP, our apps will coexist and making sure that the overall network is working well, but also that these individual services are getting their needs fulfilled, which I think is really the scalability question that you mentioned before.
It would be a remiss for me to not mention that programmable network with AI, cognitive capabilities, is actually going to be the heart of our next 5-year strategy. That's something we are diligently working on, and it will be something that we will roll out over the next few months.
Well, thank you so much for the partnership, Shailin. It's been a great journey so far, and I think much more to come now when you are using this capability for business building across these new use cases, enterprises, government services, and I guess also consumers. So big thanks for the trust in Ericsson, and thanks for the partnership.
Absolutely. Same here.
Thank you.
Thank you.